Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stand. Welcome to my channel. Aren't you missing me? You're probably wondering what happened to Lisa. I actually received a few email and then you guys are concerned. What happened to you? Are you okay? Well, actually, I was not okay. I was pretty sick for almost 2 months. I got this nasty flu or something. I have no idea. Maybe COVID. I don't know. And then I can't stop coughing. And then now in Canada, our medical system is totally screwed up. If I want to see my family doctor, I have to wait for 15 days. So I was actually suffering a lot. Finally, I had a gap and I was feeling a little bit better. We actually had a trip to Europe. We went to Iceland. Well, Iceland is really like ice. The people are cold as ice, and then we was just over there one day, and then we took the cruise. So we went to Copenhagen, and then I actually went to visit my sister-in-law. If you have been watching my channel, you probably know the story about my sister-in-law. So when we went to Copenhagen, and my husband was actually busy to renovate his niece's apartment and try to fix his sister's apartment. So I only did 1 day sightseeing Copenhagen all by myself, and then I came back home sick. So we was in the Copenhagen for 7 days, and the 6 days I was sick. So I end up went nowhere. I actually lay down on the bed watching the Netflix the whole trip. But I was okay because I was sick, and my sister-in-law, she was taking very good care of me. She made the soup, and I didn't get a really chance to see the Copenhagen, but my husband and I, we actually had a great time. So just want to catch up with you guys. I'm still here, and well, first of all, I think next week we are heading to Cincinnati for the Stamping Away show. I am offering 2 classes. One, the marker class is already sold out. The magic mushroom classes still have a 3 spot. So if you are in the Ohio, Cincinnati, make sure you check their classes schedule. So that's the first things, and we are going to do the Stamping Away show. It's a great show if you are in the area. Hoping to see you over there. And then after we come back right away, we are going on Local King's 7th stamping cruise, leaving from Vancouver to Alaska. I understand a lot of you guys cannot make this trip, but don't worry. I am actually going to offer you almost like a 95% same thing that we are doing on board, and then I'm going to offer you the 3 hours workshop. So this workshop, you will get at least the new stamp set, which is we are using this set on the Alaska cruise. We're going to use this stamp set part and mix with some other stamp to create the 12 cards on board. But for our online workshop, you are only going to make the 10, because some of the 2 of the card that you need a stamp to do that. So I'm just thinking, I don't really want to make these too expensive. I want people can they are able to afford it. So that the workshop will be only the 10 cards, and everything is pre-cut like a lease. And also you will get at least a special window die cut for free. And then so what you're going to do is you will receive a stamp set, and you will also receive a package with all the material you need, the paper material only. And then in this package you will receive the material list of what you need, like a glue, marker. So the basic craft tool will be the markers and the Local King's Magic Marshall. If you have it, so use it. If you have other brand, that's totally fine. So that's the first things. So I don't really want to, kind of show you the old project that we are going to doing. So I'm going to just leave it like that. You kind of get an idea. So that's a lot of cutting and the preparation. And I was sick when I was doing those kind of stuff. So there are the limit spot, and I'm going to offer the early bird promotion. So the regular price is going to be $89.99, but if you purchase at least workshop kit, you will get a 10% off. So that will be $79.99, and it's a free shipping too. So you will end up to have a 10 car project. I will send you a video link. It's 3 hours, and then sorry, I will send you the Zoom invitation link for the workshop. And after workshop, you will receive an email with a video link so you can watch the replay. And also you will get some of the digital image. So if you have like a quick cut or broader scan and cut, there is a digital image, so you can use that digital image to create multiple card. So that's what I use to prepare my classes. It actually saved me a lot of time. So it's really pretty good deal, and I'm only offering 50 spots for this workshop because there's a lot of cutting, a lot of preparation, and so the cutting line will be October 1st. So because I want to make sure that you have your kit so we can do the workshop together. That's a first things. And all the cards I use is a really good quality card stock, and like I say, you will receive the material list. What do you need to prepare your workshop? So that's the first things. So and then so you're probably wondering what I have been doing. I didn't really working on the car making rubber stamp for a while. I actually get into the pottery, and then I took 10 private lessons. I'm actually doing very good. I got a whole package now. I got a wheel, I got a kiln, and I am so enjoying the pottery. But pottery is something totally different with the car making. So this car making for you is a hobby, but for me is a job. So I'm glad I'm doing the pottery, and I'm still not mature enough yet to share with what I have created, but I promise I will definitely post something on Local Kings of Facebook or in my next video. So that's talking about the rubber stamps. Now it's getting so hard for the small company like me, and well, my goal is to retire in 2027 completely. So I remember a few months ago I was talking about I had a hard time to find the matrix, the kind of special material to make a duplicate rubber stamp. I mean the mold to create a rubber stamp. And then luckily I found a supply. They have something left over in their warehouse. So I kind of got enough supply until 2027. And then last month, because we're going to cross the border for the Stamping Away stamp show, right? So I thought, okay, maybe I'm going to order some rubber stamp. And guess what? The rubber stamp, the raw rubber that I used to use, they are out of a business. They are closed for good. That was a shock. I said, oh my God, in the beginning, okay, actually in the beginning, that was the phone, the Easy Mount phone. And then we had a hard time to find the Easy Mount phone. And then finally I found some. And then is the matrix. And now is the rubber. So those three material are the most important to make a rubber stamp. I think, you know what, if this is to keep going on, first of all, and then if this is to keep going on, I don't think so. The small company like me will survive. And then maybe one day this rubber stamp is going to become, not available. They are going to become a history for sure. So it's really sad because now, how many people are sending the car. I know a lot of you guys still do. It's a lot of fun, but everything, you want to contact with somebody, you just send a text message, they will receive it in 1 or 2 minutes. But this is just some information that I like to share with you. So my goal is I'm going to retire in 2027 completely. That means what I mean is I'm going to actually close Local King rubber stamp. I think it has been an awesome trip for me, and I really enjoy it. So, but because it's getting so hard and the shipping is insane, the price for the supply is insane, and the traveling. You don't want to talk about the traveling. Traveling is actually a crappy hotel. It costs like a $250 US dollars now. So get ready. You know what? If you have some rubber stamp, hold it tight. Maybe one day it's become collect item. You never know, right? So that's what happened to me for the past few months. I do miss me, but you know what? I'm so enjoying this pottery, and then I kind of didn't want to work anymore. So, but I think that's a bad idea. I do missing you guys. Okay, so that's a workshop, and I think maybe in the future I probably just run 1 or 2 workshop a year, because because I'm still care about the you guys out there, and then it's still fun. Well, actually no, it's not fun, because you have no idea when I was preparing those kits. You know what? That's really a lot of preparation. I have a 2 machine. I have my Cricut and the brother cutting skate, cutting almost like a whole week to prepare all the 27 kit for our Alaska cruise, and then I prepare another 20 kit for our Cincinnati on the show floor. We're going to offer the same deal, and then I haven't even prepared for this workshop yet. So if you can do me a favor, if you'd like to join me, start to order your kit, so that way I can start to preparing, and the kit will be mailed out after we return from our Alaska cruise, because I have to make it a rubber stamp. The husband is going back to the construction, so I'm all by myself. So I need some time to make the rubber stamp, but I will try to have all the stamp mail out in the early September. So the early bird special promotion, like $10 off, is available until the end of July. So if you want to order your item, it is available online now. And I just want to thank you for your support for the small business like me. It's getting harder and harder. So that's everything for today. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys at our online workshop, or send me an email. Let me know how are you doing. Okie dokie. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye guys.